Hey fellow wood shavers, JR here. It's the 3rd of January, third day of 2022, I believe. I'm going to have a shave with a new razor today, so it's going to be real interesting. We're going to be using some fine snake bite. That stuff is as cold as O-size rub is cold, just about. Going to be lathering with my Slim Jim 3D printed brush. Has a mag art knot in it. Going to be taking the whiskers off today with this little jewel. This is the Taipan. This was created, I guess designed and printed by Roger Quintero. It's got a Jim PTFE coated blade in it. And then we're going to finish off with some O-size rub, since this is Menthol Monday. It's going to be a cool day. Speaking of cool days, it's rather cool outside today here in Hendersonville, North Kakalaki. Yeah, we had a little snow last night, but right now it's only about 34 degrees. It wasn't much of a snow here. We got just a little dusting. You can still see the ground. The streets are in pretty good shape too, but it'll be gone by this afternoon. But it is cold and it's very windy outside. Hope you all are doing well wherever you are. To get started today, we're going to be running some cold water in the sink. Cold water is how I do shaves. This will be my first use of this brush. I'll just wet it and then wet the face. Now normally, when I do the soap, if I can get the soap out, I'll just rub it on the face. But this is, I think, no, there it is. It came out. So I get to just rub it, slap on the face. This is Fine's snake bite. And buddy, it is cold. All right. There we go. Now let's make some lather. Come on, lather. Usually lather's pretty good. Yep. And I will just add a little water. Maybe I won't even have to do that. Yeah, a little water. And build the lather a little more. Here we go. Yes. Alrighty. The Taipan. It's shaped kind of funny here at the end, tapered off. Roger said he designed this handle like this so that you would hold the razor up here. This is kind of like where I like to hold them anyhow. It's a pretty light razor, and here we go. It's a brand new Jim blade, and it's doing a fine job. Yep, easy to rinse. The angle, the head is almost flat on the face. It's kind of like you would use a Jim. They're all designed for the head to go almost flat on the face. To some people, this might look a little scary because the blade is just right out there. See there? Blade is just right out there, but doesn't scare me. I'm used to that sort of thing. I have a what I call an opened, what do I call it? Anyhow, I've got a Damascus razor, but it's missing the cap. But you can put a blade in it because the spring on the back holds the blade in. And I shave with that, no problem. There we go. Well, that's pass number 1 down. Let's take care of pass number 2, which will be the final pass. Snake bite is chilling. Oh, yes. Okay. It's cold inside and out. Here we go. Oh, I'm going to step aside and look, see? So, that's where my fingers go. There. It's not difficult to figure out here. Oh, there we go. Now, usually 2 passes will do for me, and I do a little touch up on my jaws. So I'm going to see how I did. Oh, that's a good. Okay, I take this lather, put it right in here, and do my little touch up pass. Take this lather right there, and there we go. There we go. Good job. I'm going to get some cold water rinse here. Yes. Put that O-size rub on top of snake bite. That's chilling. Okay. Starting to get some hot water, so we're going to rinse out the brush. The brush handled really well. So it's ready to go for tomorrow. We're using that this week. And rinse out the Taipan. And it's ready to go. I'm going to take the blade out. The way this works is you pull the blade forward. It's really kind of stuck back up here in this little slot. So I lift it and pull it forward just a little bit. And it drops out of that spot. See there? And then it comes out. I've got a little lather on the back side of that, which I'm going to rinse off. And then dry the blade. I'm going to do a little palm dropping here. Palm dropping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there we go. Reverse, it goes in. Pull it up a little bit and back. And there it is. Yep. It is ready to go for tomorrow. All right. Am I done now? not quite done. I'm ready for my O-size rub for my aftershave. And, oh yeah, oh yeah. Very, very cold. Well, that's it, folks. Hope you have a wonderful day. Get out there and enjoy this new year. This is J.R. and North Kakalaki saying I'm clean, smooth, and refreshed. We'll see you next time. Beam me up, Scotty. Here we go. Come on, come on. Okay, here we go.